Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the surface. This step determines paint adhesion. Remove supports, trim flash, and sand progressively, 220 then 400 grit, to eliminate layer lines. Once done, wash the model in warm water with mild soap to remove dust and oils, then dry thoroughly. Apply a quality primer in 2 thin spray coats, holding the can about 15 to 20 centimeters away. This creates a uniform surface. Let it tack for 10 to 15 minutes between coats, so paint adheres evenly. Once the primer is cured, you apply base coats to establish color and value. Thin acrylic paint to about 10 to 20% flow with water or a flow medium so it levels without obscuring detail. Paint in thin, even layers, allowing roughly 10 to 20 minutes drying time between coats. This prevents muddiness. For realistic shading, use wet blending on adjacent areas and glazing, very thin translucent layers, to build depth gradually. Make sure to seal each major stage with a light matte varnish to protect work. You finish by adding details and protecting the piece. Use fine brushes, sizes 000 to 1 for highlights, edge wear, and panel lines. Tiny strokes and a steady hand make a big difference. Once satisfied, choose a final clear coat. Satin for realistic skin, gloss for shiny parts, applied in light passes. If something goes wrong, paint chips or runs, sand the small area smooth, reprime that spot. Then reapply paint in thin layers to match surrounding texture and color.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.